All right, today we're gonna bring some beautiful outdoor lanterns. And look at this. This is real glass inside. LED. You're gonna need an application to control it. It's embedded into the actual instructions. You got the 3 connections. You got your ground, which is the green one, your hot, and your neutral. Now they do give you the Allen wrench in here. It's included with it, along with the ties, because you're gonna require the Allen wrench for the side to control it. All right, and it's a 3mm Allen wrench if you don't have one. So if it's not included, you can always get one easy. So the way it works, this thing bypasses through there, cables come out. Let's go ahead and set it up and see how it looks. All right, when you first get it, this is how it looks like, guys. It's gonna flash, so you need to install your application on it. So let's go ahead and do that. The app, we're gonna go install the something on here. So let's go install a new app, add new device, and automatically, because I have Bluetooth, it's going to install Starlink, and we're going to set up our Wi-Fi, and that's pretty much it. So once it starts blinking, you're all set. Now we're going to go ahead and show you guys what you can do with the actual device and the app. All right, now that we have the app done, I'm going to go ahead and add, and in the features that you're going to see, we could tone down the light, all right, change the color of the lighting, all right, dim it down as much as you can. We're going to go to the colors. We can actually change colors here, change it to any color you want. RGB lighting, you can control it from anywhere. You can choose your colors that you want, dim it down too. Now we're going to go into different templates that they have. On the templates, you're going to see the green one that just turned on. Grasslands, colorful. Let's do a colorful one. And this thing could be outdoor, indoor, pretty much anywhere. In your garage, in front of your garage, for Christmas or Halloween. Pretty much you can set up for any holiday you want, the tone. So you can go in and we're going to put ocean for now. If you have any some sort of party, you want to have music, they also have a music app in here that when you talk to it, I just put a mic right next to it and it starts automatically. Your music could be playing in the background. This thing could be acting like a DJ pretty much. They have much more features. You could turn it off. You could turn it on with Alexa or Google Home. It has voice commands. You could turn off the whole thing entirely, turn it back on, and then we go back to tone. So it has a lot of great features on the actual app itself. The system was very simple to set up. I like it's beautiful outdoor graded, has bubble on the glass. It gives me the ambience, beautiful look. So very intuitive with the actual controls. I hope you guys enjoy the video.